to show you the power of corporations in America, there's the Video Privacy Protection Act, and it has a provision in it that Netflix does not like. So they literally push for the Netflix amendment. I'm not kidding. The Netflix amendment, not to the Constitution, but to that specific act, the Video Privacy Protection Act. And what it does is it allows the movie company to, it allows its users to share their online viewing habits on social networking sites like Facebook. Now, for reasons related to Robert Bork's confirmation many years ago, they said that you cannot share the information of people's, what they rent, right? And back then you'd go to Blockbuster, you rent videos, and they didn't want people rifling through the politicians or the judges in Robert Bork's case, videos that he rented and use that information against them, so they passed a law. Now Netflix doesn't like that because they like social media and they want people to be able to share the movies that they're watching on Netflix through Facebook so that other people get excited and go, oh, I want to watch that movie on Netflix too. Now, I like Netflix. We've done ads for Netflix before. I subscribe to Netflix. I got no problems with Netflix, okay? But it's comical that we have the Senate here going, yes, Netflix, what would you like? Absolutely, sir, no question. You know what it passed? You know how all these things are so contentious and everything gets filibustered and Republicans filibuster almost everything? Unanimous vote in the Senate. Unanimous. But now here's the interesting part. So that by itself is not surprising to anybody. A corporation asks for a favor and the politicians unanimously agree. That's the one thing Republicans and Democrats can agree on, right? Now here comes the frustrating part. To the Democrats' credit, they wanted to add a provision that would allow you to have privacy in your emails. Now you might not know this, but because of actually a law that was passed decades ago, you actually do not have privacy in your emails. If it's in a Google or Yahoo, the government does not need a warrant. They might have to get a subpoena, which is a much lower burden to meet, and then these days, God knows whether they're even getting subpoenas, but they do not have to get a warrant to look into your emails. So it's very easy for the government to snoop in on every email you've ever written. Now, a lot of people, I don't think, realize that, and they think, it doesn't matter, I'm not Muslim, they're not going to look at my emails. Until, of course, they do, right? And we've shown now countless examples of the FBI snooping in on Greenpeace and environmental groups and right-wing groups, and the list goes on, right? Until they're snooping in on everyone. So they decided, hey, you know what? If we're going to do this Netflix amendment, can we also fix the part of the law that allows the government to violate your privacy without a warrant? So they wanted to put that part in. Guess what happened? Nope. House Republicans blocked that one. Unanimous to help the corporation. When it comes to helping the American people and protecting their privacy, remember, these are the guys who are like, oh, we got to get big government. Big government is so obnoxious. The bigger the government, the smaller the citizen. We demand to have our privacy. The government needs to leave us alone, right? Don't tread on me. Oh, you want to read all my emails? Sure, go ahead. I mean, there it is again, in a microcosm. Our rights are meaningless and valueless. They can tread upon those all they want. Why? Because we're just lowly citizens. We're just human beings endowed by our Creator with inalienable rights, which are alienated all the time, right? But if you're a corporation, well, then you're a super citizen. You get the red carpet treatment and you get unanimous votes. Now, who are the real people? Well, if you ask our politicians, corporations are people, my friend, much more so than you are. This system is sick.